Hello everyone, my name is Ethan and welcome to Casual Eats, a channel dedicated to quick weeknight meals and building confidence in the kitchen together. Today we'll be making a quick and easy carbonara. Now, this is not at all a traditional carbonara as it does contain heavy cream, but I find the cream helps to keep the sauce from breaking, and it's rich and delicious too. The full recipe is in the description below. Now on to the ingredients. For this meal you'll need the following: some sort of a long thin pasta such as spaghetti or linguine, garlic, bacon, eggs, salt and pepper to taste, the dreaded heavy cream, and some sort of a salty cheese like parmesan or pecorino romano. Now on to prepping our ingredients and getting ready to cook. First, start a large pot of water over high heat and add a generous amount of salt. Also, you want to put a large skillet on the stove but leave the heat off. While we wait for the water to boil, we can start prepping our ingredients. First, we'll cut our strips of bacon into nice bite-sized pieces. Next, we'll crush some garlic into this teacup here. You, of course, can always just crush it straight into the pan, but I like to put it in a cup first and then put it into the pan. That way it cooks a little more evenly. And finally, I'm going to go ahead and just shred the rest of this Parmesan cheese, but you just need enough for a third of a cup as well as a bit of a garnish on top. Be sure to set aside that third of a cup of cheese and you're all done prepping. At this point, your pasta water should be boiling, so we'll go ahead and add the bacon to the cold pan and set the heat to medium, and you'll want to cook this until it's just about done. And then we'll also go ahead and add our pasta to the water and cook according to the directions on the box, minus about a minute or so. I like to do that to keep it a bit more al dente and let it finish up in the pan. While the bacon and pasta cook, let's go ahead and make our sauce by combining all of our eggs, our shredded cheese, our heavy cream, as well as a generous amount of salt and pepper to a bowl, and beating to combine. Now back to the bacon and pasta. When your pasta is seconds away from being done, be sure to reserve about half a cup of pasta water, and then drain your pasta and wait until your bacon is ready. Once your bacon is just about done, move a bit of your bacon out of the way and add the garlic directly to your bacon grease and fry it for about 30 seconds. Now that your bacon is crisp, we can go ahead and add the pasta to the pan as well as some of your pasta water and toss until a nice creamy sauce starts to form. Now we'll cut the heat to the pan, add our sauce mixture, and stir constantly until a nice creamy sauce forms. This is the last step before we get to plate and then enjoy our creation. Go ahead and taste your pasta and add any additional salt and pepper that it may need. It's now time to plate up, so we'll go ahead and split this mixture evenly into two different bowls. And finally, just garnish with your extra shredded Parmesan cheese and you're ready to enjoy. This meal makes enough for 2 people for dinner, but if you want lunch the next day, I highly recommend, if you can, making it that same day, as carbonara just does not keep well. But I'd just like to say thank you so much for watching. If you liked this video, please be sure to leave a like, and if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel. It would really mean a lot. And I highly urge you to make this carbonara and let me know what you think in the comment section below. But until next time, I'm Ethan with Casual Eats, and keep on cooking!